And so now we invite you to lean back and to close your eyes. Breathe deeply, relaxing. Breathe deeply, relaxing. Imagine in the center of your heart a golden warm light pulsating. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your body, filling your entire body with this golden warm light. Imagine for this golden warm light to expand into your aura, filling your entire aura with this golden warm light. Imagine for this golden warm light to fill the entire room that you're in. And now imagine for all your angels and guides and ascended masters, galactic families of light and Telosians to be around you and with you, sending you their love. And you can feel their presence more and more. And your heart center begins to feel warm and loved. Now imagine coming from above a white column of light, filling your entire body with white light. Your body begins to feel lighter and brighter. And imagine a warm golden light in your heart center. And now, for just a while, we will be quiet. And as we are quiet, we invite you to focus only on this white light that is filling your entire body and on this golden light that is in your heart center. And we will be quiet now. And now, dear ones, say in your mind, beloved, I am presence and God, fill my entire being now. And notice this golden light come from above, entering your entire being, filling your entire being now. Feel this energy expand outward into your aura and into your world. Imagine for this golden light to expand and fill your entire world. Feel the deep peace and harmony within your being and your world. When you feel complete, come on back, open your eyes, wiggle your fingers and toes, move your head. Welcome back, dear ones.